not chat no facts. Bag of your argument and not clash no locks. Paycheck someone nail in a your vote box. You can't go Zion feed a picture man in a frock. Chargers you not chat no facts. Bag of your argument and not clash no locks. Paycheck someone nail in a your vote box. You can't go Zion feed a picture man in a frock.
Hold up, wrap it up, clap it up.
Alright, your imagination shaky. Mouth them a run, we not giantly praising. Trouble them a give a pick me we just face it. Come keep my bunks and them home for the raking. Imagination shaky. Mouth them a run, we not giantly praising. Trouble them a give a pick me we just face it. Come keep my bunks and them home for the raking.
Oh yeah. Alright, welcome back to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, and you already know what this is. This is a music review. So if you're not into dancehall reggae music reviews and dancehall reggae music on a whole, the clashing thing, then exit stage left right now. Alright, so we're talking about two big bad hot tunes out the road right now. You have School Them by Law Boss, and then you have Quarantkill by Jamil. And these two have been going at it, and it has come to this. So we are going to go into the words of Quarantkill, and then we are going to into the response of the words. And the response came in a form of a banger named School Them. Alright, so here we go. So Quarantkill now. Jamil say, Chargers, you not chat no fox. Bag a here argument, you not clash no locks. Beer trucks, hammer nail in a your board box. You can't go a Zion for a picture man in a frock. Alright. I could break down that one right there. Alright, check it. The man said, Chargers, you know, drop no fox. Remember, you know, Law Boss drop a track when him talk fox. Right? And him say, him not drop no fox. So he's refuting that right away. And you know, when them say track, here track, a beer trucks, hammer nail in a your board box. Can't go a Zion if you a picture man in a frock. Here's the thing me want to know. How Jamila go tell Chronicler say him can't go a Zion if him a picture man in a frock. Just because Chronicler tell him say him can't go a Zion in a frock. Cause of the long t-shirt and what Jamila always wear. Him say him look like frock, and him a tell the man say you can't go a Zion in a frock, you know, daddy. So him a say you can't go a Zion if you a picture man in a frock. But I am wondering, if Jamil really believes that Chronicler can't go a Zion with a picture man in a frock, then which part him a go? After him talk this and next little line right here, so. The man say, real gangsters name can't call upon the raping thing. Alright, me get that. Them catch him and bash him on a naked film. Me granny, people don't understand the science behind this or what? You have to be intelligent to catch that one here. Watch this. So, in order for you to say something to somebody when you accost them, that means you have thought about it first. Believe it or not, nothing you say out of your mouth just come out of your mouth, so it processes through your brain first. So if you tell a man, say, him can't go a Zion in a him frock, that means that you have seen the man mentally in a frock, right? And you just make him know, say, him can't go a Zion in a frock. So why Jamil come now and tell the man say them catch him and bash it on a naked film? No mean saying the Afia Med said the man did up on a naked film with the next man. So if the man can't go a Zion in a frock, which part you a go? A Med's 2 man per naked film. Why? Him shot himself in him foot right there. So anyhow, the next couple of lines when me like now when me want to talk about him say, tell them a people we murder. That Russian no believe in a burger. Yeah, me get gal every day. The man say, yeah, me get gal free everywhere me go. No short a pussy you see. Me no strangle no gal for straight facts. So what him a say is, remember say Chronicler says the big lip ras we feed pan burger. And him answer that right back and say, tell them we not believe in a burger. Alright? I may understand all the part there still. But when you go say straight facts, can't say a lie and then tell a lie. A rape case make the pussy can't fly. How can you say straight facts and then tell a lie right after you say straight facts? Anyhow, him say straight facts. Can't tell a lie. A rape case make the pussy can't fly. Alright. Is Chronicler, because this is not the first time Jamil has come up with this rape case thing. And you know, them have a saying where them say if you tell a lie, the more you tell it, it starts to sound like it is true. So you have people now where say, I wonder if him have a rape case for real. You have all this defamation of character, or where Elephant Man said the other day, definition of character. A defamation of character, that brother, if it is not truth. But what I would have want Jamil do, you see, is go find which part that rape case are there. Dig it up, get some paperwork on it, and plaster it on the screen. Make everybody see it. Then you would have seen a whole different outcome to this war. But anyway, him say the man can't say a lie. It's a rape case. It's a rape case. Make the pussy can't fly. Me know Wendy and mad him. She done a my girl. Hillside him there. Where him a fuck. Wendy and mad him. She done a my girl. Hillside him there. Where him a fuck animal. So he's playing on that. Rather than on a hillside. Still. Alright. One of the most fiery lines out of it now, the man said, in there, on a hillside, I seek old people for look money for rob. 6 can't carry him. Them need 8 man. Great Ann. We know you run from Javelani. That's the next line there. We know you run from Javelani. Now, me never know nothing go on with them on Javelani. I just feel like, say, that little thing there, it blow over and it gone. So if you draw next man in your war, well, such is war. All is fear in love and war. Him end it by saying, Umbre can't save you. We are back fist in a theme cell. Oh no. So, a world boss he that talk about? Is he talking about Vybz Kartel? So he must say Vybz Kartel is not getting no conjugal visits. He must say Vybz Kartel is not getting any punjaina where he is at. He must have Vybz Kartel in there and him have Miss Palmer and her 5 daughters them on both sides and he might help himself in himself. That brother that can't save you. Why him style world boss like this though? You know, so there's going to be consequences and repercussions for this. But I know world boss him a war. Is chronic lime a war, but him, boy, the way Jamila drag everybody, you know, I saw war going on. When you go over there, just wrap it up him and him whole charge of them, you know, but I just aim for him alone. And I think Jamil did that right here. Alright? Now, let's go into School Them by Chronic Law. Alright, Chronic Law say, after we shove gun in your face, you show with the crazy things where your brain a think. And you see it. The whole talk there. That whole rotten talk there about them catch him and bash up on a naked film. After we shove gun in your face, you show with the crazy things where your brain a think. We not got them way the youth. So I'm address that immediately. We not got them way the youth. Mouth them a run. We not join lip tracing. Trouble, the man say, I trouble them again. A picnic, we just faced it. Conk him and punk. Conk him, call him a punk and send him home. Figure do raking, you know, when you're little and you're bad and then you used to conk you in your head top so and send you home. Go on, go take up a rake and rake up the leaf them in the yard. You know what I say? Him boysy and him right here. The man says suicide yard, a suicide him a do, you know. And people out there gas him up and tell him say a bravery. Alright, so any police with they on your peer list, tell them to find a file there about rapists. So he come back right away. So obviously the man concerned about that something here. Because the man know, Jamil keep on come up with this rape thing. And like me tell you before, this could be very damaging because, you know, people hear the same thing over and over, them start to think, say it's real. So I must say, any police you have on your peer list, tell him find a file there. Dig it up and find it and bring it forward about rapists. And to tell you the honest truth, me want to see too if it really exists. You know what I say? Spear and marrow. Now, on to this verse here. Me call this the mystery verse. People, help me solve the mystery verse in the comment section. Me I go read it slow. Spear and marrow, we like book pan plane. Couple flights in our day. We not have nothing to explain. Lyrics for days them vocabulary lame. Me not have to puzzle my brain. Make him dig him own a grave. Now me understand the part where him say lyrics for days them vocabulary lame and me not have to puzzle my brain. You know what I'm saying? I understand that part, but the Spain and Marrow, we like book pan plane. Couple flights in our day. We not have nothing to explain. Please somebody explain to me what go on this up. Because obviously the one they fly right over my head. Me not lie. I am not one of the people that will act like say me know everything. If me don't know, me I ask the audience that knows. So tell me what it means. Spain and Morrow we like book pan plane. Couple flights in our day when I have nothing to explain. Now I know the part where him say him can't fly out. But him Jamil say a fox is a rape case make the pussy can't fly. So I understand the part where Chronic Law say couple flights in our day, we have nothing to explain. And I don't know if you remember them the day at Trinidad the other day. So them fly out. And some people are say, but you can't fly in a Trinidad, man, but you can't fly other places. You can fly into Caribbean countries. Well, Trinidad is one of them places that we don't really like Jamaicans like that. You have to prim and proper. And I'm not talking about Trinidad people, I'm talking about the establishment. Okay? You see how them treat Buju Banton when he went there, right? You see how them handle with enough time. So anyhow, me I try understand the Spain and Morrow. Me like book pan plane that part there. Anyhow, me I move right along. The man said the bullet them a surf. When the matic them a wave. And everybody a run. Me not see nobody brave. Listen. The bullet them a surf. You know at the beach, you know when the surfer them take out them surfboard and them go surfing. The bullet them a surf. When the matic them a wave. So you not talk about this is a double conundrum. So the matic a wave in the sky also come in like the wave them in the sea. The bullet them a surf when the matic them a wave. And everybody a run, me not see nobody brave. Who call themselves brave heart, brave man, all these things. Run gone, left it. Enough of gimmicks, lyrics, I confuse them. Lyrical from primary. You know the code, no binary. That means that the man lyrical from primary, I go to school with no books, no binary. I charge, them say me change up the style a bit for who say Chronic no have no dynamics. And if you remember, Jamil told them before, in the last song there, say him they have no dynamics. So the man say him change up the style a bit for who say Chronic no have no dynamics. Six and Gaza, different species. Yo, some boy are just feces. Alright. The gun where, the man said the gun where fight or squeeze, it's just a spit without saliva drip. Alright, sir. In your place, and if you pay extortion, man box you down where there. Please somebody tell me about that, because I heard about that, but me don't want to elaborate on anything that I don't know. Is Jamil being extorted in his place? Somebody boxed him down where there? Or I just talk them a talk. The man say your father will drive taxi, no say we run the road. You know, say your heart a dirty up your clothes. In other words then, your father will run taxi. Taxi man they out there on the road. Taxi man know everybody will run the road there. You understand? Whether you drive car, cause him see your car all the time. Whether you take taxi, definitely I gonna know you. So him know who run the road. And him say, Jamil, father drive taxi. So ask your father will drive a taxi. Him know say we run the road. The man say, you know, say your heart are dirty up your clothes. How else can your heart dirty up your clothes unless your heart is dirty? Alright? The man say him don't talk still. And I'm wondering if this is going to be the end of it. Cause me not ready for it ending up. Me just jump in it and just a find out we're gone. You see it? Feel like them dog through them watch some duppy show. Alright. Him done talk and him not say nothing more. Furthermore, him say, me tell them to talk facts and then come back with the same friggery fuckery. Lawless, flawless victory. So he says this is a flawless victory. In other words, then what Chronic Law say is him win every round so far. And you know what, matter of fact, you're not even worth my fighting, me done talk. Him tell you the last song say he was only doing it for his fans. Get the fandom a little something for heat up the place in this quarantine spell ya. And now, that is it. Him done talk. Is he done with the war? But more than anything else, I want to know from you, viewers, subscribers, listeners, talk it in the comment section. Talk it in the comment section. Which tune I lead? Which side you dep on? And which DJ I run it so far? Is it Jamil? Or is it Law Boss? Talk up. It's SoFlo TV. I'm out. Peace.